Terry Chrisman here from fabuloushealth.net. I'm a plant-based nutritionist and I'm obsessed with healthy living, and that extends to the things that we put in and on our body. So if this is the first time you've seen me today, I'd like to say welcome. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Just press the little bell on the bottom, and every time I load a new video, you'll be notified. They're usually pretty quick, and I hope that I give you lots of interesting information and lovely tips for you to try out yourself. So I want to talk to you today about the toxic chemicals that we actually use in our homes. And one of the most toxic things that you can use in your home is dishwashing liquid. Would you believe it? So I'm not going to give you, the science behind it. I'm going to suggest to you that you go and do some research of your own. But if you think about that traditional blue dishwashing liquid that you find in the supermarket, go on to ewg.org. It's a non-profit organisation called the Environmental Working Group, and they'll tell you what toxic chemicals are in that dishwashing liquid and how bad they are for your body. So toxic chemicals in products that we use all the time can do things such as disrupt our hormones, they can upset our respiratory system, they can give us migraines. There's so many different things that can happen to us when we're just using everyday products from the supermarket and we don't realise that they're actually doing us damage. So to save us the stress, I'm going to show you how to make yourself a very, very simple dishwashing liquid that is safe for you to use and even safe for your children to do the dishes. And I know that's a bonus because we all like our kids to actually get in there and do some work. So we're going to start off with, this is called Castile soap. Now the brand I'm using today is Dr. Bronner's. There's another brand you can buy called Dr. Woods, and they're both very similar in ingredients. They're all non-toxic ingredients. This is made out of a mixture of hemp oils, and this one, the baby blue one, is unscented. Now there's a reason we're using unscented, is because we're going to add our own scents using essential oils, and we're going to make sure that those essential oils are 100% pure and therapeutic so that we don't get any adulterated chemicals in this product that we're making today. So very simple. We get our Castile soap. Oh, we need a bottle too. We need an empty bottle for dishwashing liquid. I've got an old Thieves dishwashing liquid bottle here, which is great for me because it means I don't have to put a label on it. We just put in about 2 tablespoons or up to 20% of the bottle. So you'll see here, I've just got a tiny weeny little bit of the Castile soap in that bottle. And then we're going to add to it some vegetable glycerin. This is lovely too. It makes the dishwashing liquid so nice so that it doesn't aggravate your skin. Not that it would anyway, because there's nothing aggravating in it, but it makes it really, really nice. It's lovely stuff. So this I just get from iHerb, but you can get these things from your supermarket as well. Just look for the ones that are 100% pure. Don't get anything that's adulterated. And then the magic ingredients are essential oils. So the first essential oil I'm going to use is this one. It's called Thieves essential oil. Now Thieves is a mixture of rosemary, clove, cinnamon and lemon, and it is magnificent for basically getting rid of all the germs. So I'm going to add around about 10 drops of the Thieves essential oil into here because we want to get rid of germs. And then the next essential oil I'm going to add in is Citrus Fresh. This is a beautiful blend of 4 different citruses and spearmint. And I don't know about you, but I love my kitchen and my dishes to smell citrusy clean. And this one is empty, so that's no good. I'm also going to add some lemon essential oil. So lemon is magnificent. It's in the Citrus Fresh, but lemon is great for grease cutting power. So the lemon essential oil is made out of the skins of the lemon. They're cold pressed, and would you believe it that 25 lemons are squashed into this tiny little bottle. So we just mix that up a little bit, and the Castile soap will actually blend with the essential oils very well because they're both oil-based. And then we just fill it up with water. It's that simple. It takes just a minute to do, and this has really fantastic grease cutting power, dirt lifting power. I sound like an ad, don't I? And also the kids can use it. So there you have it. Non-toxic dish soap that the whole family can use. And it's got therapeutic essential oils so that you know that there's not going to be any damage to your endocrine system or any damage to your health whatsoever. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of this type of video, please drop me a message underneath in the comments and let me know what you'd like me to tell you about, what DIYs you'd like me to show you, or other things that you'd like me to cover on these videos. So thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a fabulous day. See you later.